there is no division in the party, nor any division in the family. In fact, last about couple of days or 3-4 days back, we have met, and in the meeting, everybody has, all the party leaders who are contesting, who want to contest, and the names of people whose names are doing the round, even though they may not want to contest, or they may want to contest, a different issue, but their names are doing the round. So whoever's name was doing a round, we have consulted everybody, we have talked to everybody, and everybody has confirmed that they are with the party, and whatever decision the party takes, that will be the final decision, and they will abide by that decision. So the party has taken a unanimous decision in this, and now the process of giving the report, ground report from the block level and district level and the regional level is underway. And once that process is complete, then the state committee will recommend accordingly. But let me again clarify that there is no question of any kind of division. We are very much clear that we will work together as a family, and more importantly as a political party, and all the names that are doing the rounds will work together to fight this particular election.
How many names, sir?
I don't know exactly how many names, but if you ask me all the plus and minus, there'll be approximately about 7 to 8 names that are in the round. That does not mean that all 7 or 8 of them are actually campaigning in the ground, but people are taking their names, and so all those people, we have talked to them, and everybody has given me the assurance that whatever the party decides, we are with the party.